Hello and welcome back to Amarone Today. We're going to be looking at a different brand of products today, one called Hubelino. Hubelino was established in Germany in 2008, and in their own words, they aim to produce the toys for the tinkerers and thinkers of tomorrow. One of the great things about the Hubelino system is it's based on a well-known plug-in modular system. And the products themselves are compatible not only with their own range, but also with the range of these other very well-known block building products. So it's the kind of product you can buy and literally build upon using other sets you might have in the house, not only from the Hubelino brand, but from other brands as well. Now, this is a marble run basic set that they've created, and as you can see here, it is compatible with these other building blocks that you may already have in your children's playroom as we speak, and these can be also used to integrate into this product. Now, in this box there's 123 pieces, and it is what they call the basic set, so you can get bigger sets and you can get smaller sets. And what's great about this as well, as I mentioned before, is that Hubelino's products are compatible across their own range, and they do have extension sets. So if you wanted to buy the basic box set and then in a few months or a year's time you think, well, we need a few more bits and pieces, there are 3 offerings of other extension sets that you can see coming up on the screen now. You've got the Twister extension, which is a very exciting sort of addition to the marble runs, and then you've got the other pieces, a 55-piece set and a 128-piece set. So that's all additional products from Hubelino itself that you can buy to add to your own basic marble run set. So now we're going to have a little bit of a look inside the box and see exactly what we get. So you can see it's quite a big box, and it comes very nicely packaged, and it's the kind of box that you can probably keep your product in as a storage box. It's nice and sturdy. The first thing we find are our base plates. Now these are, as you can see, they've got the kind of plug and play system there ready to go, so you get a couple of those, which gives you a nice space to actually build your marble run on. And then you've got separate bags of goodies. So we start with our basic building blocks as part of the modular system. So there's a big bag of those. You've got a big bag of colourful ones, and you've also got the different twist and turn for the marble run. Another big bag of blocks, and another bigger bag of other elements to the modular system. So that's basically everything that's in the box, apart from the instructions, which I had shown you a bit earlier. But these give you lots of different ideas of how to actually build your system. So if you have a look in here, you can see there are endless configurations, absolutely endless configurations of how you can build your marble run. And that's part of the joy of the Hubelino range, because it really does leave it to the kids to come up with their own ideas and engineer their own designs, which is really what it's all about. So whilst they're having fun, they're also being very creative and getting into a bit of engineering and design, and creating some exciting configurations of their own choosing. So I'm probably not going to have time today to build an actual entire run like the ones that have been suggested here in the booklet, but these can be done with your child, or allow them to do them on their own, and the instructions are very clear. So for example, for that design number 1, you've got all the different steps laid out. So this is how to build the first configuration, and you go step by step and just keep adding. So it's really good instructions. And of course, as I said, the children are able to just create their own version, which is kind of what I'm going to try and do now. But I'm just showing you at the moment how very, very easy it is to get the blocks on. And I've now managed to create a really nice sturdy platform. I'm going to grab some of these guys and see if I can create something. Maybe we'll have a little bit of a little run here. There we go. So I'm probably going to want to pop that guy there. That's like a mini run. And of course, we need our marbles, don't we? So you can see here, here's your little marble. And I've done it! Woohoo! How exciting is that? It wasn't very difficult. But you can see that was a very, very, very simple version. I have to say, though, it's fun. It's fun because I kind of enjoy the fact that I wasn't necessarily following the instructions and doing my own thing. But this is obviously very basic, but it shows you how easy it is to use the product and how creative you can be, or not so creative, as the case may be. But you know, I'm going to keep working on this and see what I come up with. So I'm having fun, and I'm by no means a child in age, but I think this is a really great product for the kids. That it's something that they're already used to. Kids are, you know, in pretty much all primary settings you find these kinds of blocks. This is just a standard part of toys that we've had throughout our lives. Even when I was an actual child, these building blocks were very much a staple part of the toy room. So it's something familiar, but it's just giving children such a chance to be creative. And of course, who doesn't like to see a little ball travelling at speed and whizzing around? I think we can safely say it's going to be enjoyable. I literally have just created another mini run, and I've managed to raise my run, and this is something I'm going to be getting out for the kids as soon as they get home from school. It beats an iPad, I have to say. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at this today. I certainly think it's a fab product, and next week we're going to be looking at another product in the Hubelino range, which is slightly more advanced. It's for maybe older children, using slightly smaller blocks. Again, blocks that they're going to be very familiar with, that are used and produced by other major brands, and that the children probably already have in their toy room, but it's going to be a bit more of a complicated version of this. So I look forward to seeing you then and talking to you all about that. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and tell all your friends about this product because I think it's great, and Christmas is coming, so it's a good one for the Christmas tree, I think. Right, well, have a lovely day, and we'll see you next week with another of the Hubelino range. Take care. Bye-bye.